अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं शब्बीर अहमद और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्सटाइल स्पिनिंग। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो से हम टेक्सटाइल स्पिनिंग के अंदर जो प्रोसेस होते हैं उनके बारे में बाकायदा आगाज़ करने जा रहे हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि टेक्सटाइल स्पिनिंग क्या है और इसके अंदर कौन कौन से प्रोसेस होते हैं, और सबसे पहला जो प्रोसेस है ब्लोरूम, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं आज की वीडियो में। तो चलते हैं हमारे आज के टॉपिक की तरफ। What is spinning? Spinning is a twisting technique to form yarn from fibers. The fiber intended is drawn out, twisted, and wound onto a bobbin. A few popular fibers that are spun into yarn other than cotton, which is the most popular, are viscose and synthetic polyester. Carded yarn manufacturing flow chart. Blowroom, carding, breaker draw frame, Fincher draw frame, simplex or speed frame, ring frame, winding. Combed yarn manufacturing flow chart. Blowroom, carding, pre-comb drying, lap former, combing, post-comber drying, simplex or speed frame, ring frame, winding. Blowroom. What is blowroom? Blowroom is the starting of the spinning operation, where the fiber is opened, cleaned, mixed, micro dust removed, and even thus passed to carding machine without increasing fiber rupture, fiber naps, broken seed particle, and without removing more good fibers. The basic function of blowroom are opening, cleaning, dust removal, blending, and evenly feeding the material on the card. Objective and function of blowroom. Bales are taken to the blowroom and prepared for the process. Briefly, basic operations in the blowroom are opening, cleaning, dust removal, blending, even feed of material to the card. Opening is the first operation within the blowroom, in which the goal is always a high degree of openness of material with gentle treatment and a fiber loss as less as possible. Treating apart the compressed and matted cotton until it is very much loosened, as separated into small tufts with the gentle treatment, and a fiber loss as small as possible. Type of opening and degree of opening. Two stages of opening must be distinguished. Opening to flocks in the blowroom, opening to fibers in the card, open and spinning machine. Intensity of opening depends on raw material, thickness of the feed, density of the feed, fiber coarseness, fiber alignments, size of flocks in the feed. Cleaning. A blowroom installation removes approximately 40 to 70% of the impurities. The cleaning efficiency always has to be optimized and not minimized, since the fiber quality as well as fiber loss is always negatively affected by maximum trash removal. In an investigation saw that the quantity of waste eliminated on a cleaning machine by modifying setting and speed was raised from 0.6% to 1.2%, while the quantity of foreign matters eliminated increased by only 41%. The quantity of fibers eliminated increased by 240%. Cleaning efficiency. The fiber loss at each machine should be known. It can be expressed as a percentage of good fiber loss in relation to total material eliminated, i.e. in cleaning efficiency. Cleaning efficiency percentage is equal to input trash minus output trash divided by input trash multiplied by 100. Dust removal. An often underestimated task of the blowroom line is the removal of dust. However, it is important as the removal of impurities. Dusting in the blowroom happens by air suction only, either between the machines, e.g. by dust case, dust extractor, etc., or within the machine by normal air separation. Every blowroom machine must be capable of extracting dust, so that special dedusting machines should be needed. Blending and mixing. The blending of fiber material is an essential preliminary in the production of a yarn. Fibers can be blended at various stages of the process. These possibilities should always be fully exploited. For example, by transverse doubling, a well-assembled bale layout, and even extraction of fibers from all bales is therefore of paramount importance. Objective of mixing or blending: processing performance, functional properties, even feed of material to card. जी तो दोस्तों, कैसी लगी आज की ये वीडियो? उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसको लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर हम ब्लोरूम में मौजूद तमाम मशीनरी के बारे में आपको दिखाएंगे कि ये मशीनरी कैसे वर्क करती है। तो मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना रखिएगा बहुत सारा ख्याल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।